Hello everyone! Want to earn cryptocurrency without any investment just by using your computer? Then listen closely. Today, I'm talking about a new project, Hednet Protocol. It's the latest DePIN service where you can monetize your unused resources, internet, CPU, and even your GPU. Your computer will help train artificial intelligence, and you'll get rewarded for it. Right now, the platform is open to everyone, especially early participants. Those who join first can expect the highest bonuses and rewards. Don't miss your chance to be one of the pioneers. How does it work? There are two ways to connect. First, a browser extension for Chrome. It installs in a couple of clicks and is perfect for those who want to share only their internet connection. Second, a full desktop client. Choose this if you're ready to rent out your CPU and GPU power and maximize your earnings. Personally, I'm currently using just the extension since my resources are already busy with other projects. But the setup is really simple. Pick your OS, download the extension or client, log in with your Google account, and select what resources you want to share. Right after logging in, you'll see a convenient dashboard, pretty standard for DePIN projects. The most interesting part is the Honey Jar tab. It shows your balance in points that can later be exchanged for tokens, as well as a separate balance in USDT. For now, Honey Jar works as an internal incentive system. Once you reach a certain activity level, you get a random USDT prize, which, according to the developers, will be withdrawable in the future. Hednet Protocol has just launched, and now is the best time for early users. It's the perfect opportunity to earn bonuses before the project attracts a large number of participants. Links to the extension and client are in the description below the video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss new earning opportunities. Wishing you good luck and maximum bonuses. See you in the next videos.